Pogi ah.
There's no halo-halo, Mom, in there.
Too much cool. Saro si Saro. Saro si Saro. Ay, payat ka dyan, Tay.
Hindi na ano ko pinapaklas ko lang. Safe lang mo. Ang laki na.
Mommy.
Oo.
Kasi dati 72 ako.
Wow.
Lakad-lakad sa earth.
Laka, we're going to Earth.
Tapos paggabi, hindi na kami. Kung kakain man ako,
The moon. Mommy, the moon's there.
Maru, Maru.
Go.
Oh, video you. Dali. Tell video me, mami.
sana all.
Kasi sinasabihan mo rin siya hindi siya pogi.
Yeah, you're not because you cover your hair in your face. You should look like this so they will see your face.
You only believe mami, ha?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so pogi.
Hair like this. Don't cover in your eyes because you will make the pack.
Then, and you know,
You will have.
and Sarukati said, then I come, then I hide my hair.
Why do you
hide your hair? Because I look like
So nobody will see your.
Si Maro, bumibiling itlog ng pugo. Kwek-kwek. Dito.
नहीं क्लीनर को तो पकड़ो यार वो तो पैसे नहीं मेरा अकाउंट बहुत होता है अभी एक
Wala pa order mo? Order. Wala pa?
बना के
Ha?
थोड़ा सा
You're waiting.
हाँ उसको आगे तो थोड़ा पैसा लेकिन मन में जिससे होता है थोड़ा हाँ अभी हमने तकरीबन 16 गाड़ी में से 5-6 गाड़ी
What's your order? Lu. Lu. Ayun na order mo.
ऐसे से अभी थोड़ी सी मुझसे गलती हो गई थी पैसा मेरी बात नहीं 65
Okay, okay.
हमें पता है हमारे पास लिस्ट है हमने देखना क्या सिस्टम आ जाओ अपने ऑप्शन का सुना है हाँ कभी लिया
Mommy, what's here?
Checking you. What's your order?
Mama, like,
You order what?
I ordered a quick
Kwek-kwek? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10.
10 kwek-kwek?
Yeah, and 11. 11 quick. Mommy,
Oh.
then I will come there, okay?
Yeah, because Saru is there. Tata Isay, Dada Yen, and Mama Che.
And this wasn't for me and you.
Yes.
Love you.
You're running. You will run. Eh!
It's okay.
Pare na. Ayusin mo.
Just wait.
Wait lang, kuya.
Wait, kuya. Don't pray yet.
Tapos na sila magdasal. Amen.
Amen na? Did you say amen? Okay.
Tara.
Amen.
Tara.
Huwag po kayo.
Cellphone.
Love, gusto mo tikman?
Kumakain lang tayo halo-halo eh.
Pag-uwi ng bahay
Oh, nag-iiya ka na rin to. Si Maro nagtataka kasi, bakit?
Who is crying? Who's not crying?
Girls not crying. Yeah.
And you're crying in the car, in our car.
It's different, no? Sarah get hurt.
That's not good. No crying.
No, we're not crying. We're just only laughing.
Sana all. Ay.
Pag ibang lahi, magkakaroon ka.
Ayoko. Behe.
Pag may sura-sura ang lalaki, babae.
Wala tayo na post ko. Don't hop.
Careful! Careful! Wala po po.
Up, up, up.
What if dalawa?
Ano? Ano? Sige. Sige.
Sarang shot yan.
Saru, dito kay Mama Che. Awak kay Mama Che. Ay, 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 ay.
Gusto namin ni tita mo. Mabligo ka. Sa trabaho sa lahat ng ginagawa magkasama.
Busog na. Uwi na kami. You're full? Po.
I always miss you.
You always miss me?
I always la 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 la. Always sing like cuckoo ka la la.
Si Maru.
Thank you, tita.
Yak tayo dito. Yung mga anak.
Ganyan lang ako sa'yo pag pamilya.
Maru!
Maro! Lucas Jojo.
Say thank you.
Pwede kita nakita dyan. Nakitin mo kasi.
Bye-bye.
Sige na, bye-bye na.
Ah, salamat sabog na sabog yung tiyan ko talaga.
Diet ka pa lang saya. Actually, say diet ka kami.
Nagulat nga ako nagkanin eh. Crush diet yan eh.
Kaya hindi na kami kumakain ng gabi.
Siguro itong araw lang to. Ganun talaga.
Cheat day lang, cheat day.
Ano, naligaw na kayo. Bye-bye. Thank you.